Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Going to do a much requested video which has been requested for a long time on emeralds, so I finally could do the emerald video. So emerald is a semi-precious gemstone, and it is a variety of mineral beryl. Beryl is mineral which consists of emerald, aquamarine, morganite, and it has a small amount of chromium and vanadium. Emeralds are found with lots of inclusions. It is almost impossible to find emeralds with less inclusions, and the more the inclusions it has, the price goes up. So emerald has a hardness of 7.5 to 8. And this is pretty fragile, so emerald has to be handled with care. Emerald could get broken easily, and never to wear a damaged or broken gemstone, because that brings a lot of bad luck and unhappiness. So where most of the emeralds are found? Emeralds are mined in Colombia, Zambia, Brazil. It is also found in Pakistan, India, Afghanistan, Russia, Australia, United States, and Tanzania. Now we all know emerald is very expensive semi-precious gemstone, and its values are next to the pearl, ruby, diamond, opal, and sapphire, also topaz. Now I've been asked to do video on opal, but I have done video on diamond, and opal is actually a cheaper version of diamond, so all the benefits and all the precautions are same for opal, but I'll still do it if I get a chance. So emeralds are associated with the heart chakra, so anyone who wears emerald, mainly it works on the heart chakra. And emeralds, who can wear it? It's a birthstone for the person who's born in May, technically, but Aries can wear it, Taurus can wear it, Gemini can wear it, and Virgos can wear it, even though all of these are not born in the month of May. So emerald could be worn by anyone who has a weak Mercury on the chart, and if the Mercury is on the wrong house and giving a lot of difficulties in life, then the person can consult a good astrologer who actually does not sell the stone, so the astrologer will not have any benefit or gain from selling the stone. So you need to go to an astrologer, good one, who does not sell you any stone, so you can get a good reading based on your birth chart, that if you need emerald or not. So when the planet Mercury is weak, then the person needs to wear an emerald to strengthen the Mercury. Planet Mercury's position has to be in a good place too. So as I mentioned, never wear a damaged or broken gemstone, and it goes for any kind of gemstone, or it will bring bad luck and sadness and all kinds of difficulties. So now emerald could be worn with diamond, cat's eye, ruby, or blue sapphire. Now, emeralds should not be worn with pearl, red coral, yellow sapphire, or it will give bad luck and bad physical and mental problems. Now, if you see the thousands of years ago, all the kings and queens used to wear emerald with lot of pearls, and their pearls jewelry always had emerald. Now, in those cases, it always bring lot of suffering and agony, and that was very evident because all the kings had always wars going on, and wars resulted in a lot of life loss and suffering. So these two gemstones should not be combined together. But emerald goes well with diamond or yellow sapphire or cat's eye. You can wear all of them together. So Mercury is the planet for emerald, and which the god is Lord Buddha. So before wearing emerald, once you bring emerald, you need to purify it. So you need to soak it on pure organic milk or holy water overnight, and then next morning, on a Wednesday morning, upon sunrise, you should wear it. For female, it's the left hand little finger, and for male, right hand little finger. And the mantra is Om Nama Buddhaya Nama, and that should be recited 108 times. But if you can do it less, that's okay. And 108 times is desirable. And then afterwards, if every Wednesday you can pray to Lord Buddha 108 times, Om Nama Buddhaya Nama. And I will write down the mantra on the description box. So since it is associated with the planet Mercury, it deals with intelligence, logic, reasoning, and since it is associated with the heart chakra, it deals with the love, sympathy, and communication, kindness, really communication. So how do we know that who needs emerald? So the person who cannot communicate properly with others. Anyone has problem communicating or public speaking, cannot give a speech, they are very scared, have anxiety of public speaking, and they mumble. Clearly evident that they have problem with the speech. They need to wear emerald to fix their speech. And people with low Mercury or Mercury in the bad position, or Mercury is ill affected, they will always have problem with self-esteem and confidence, and they'll be very critical and judgmental of others, and they usually cannot make decision. Always there will be obstacle in life with everything. There will be huge energy block for doing anything. The life will be stuck due to stagnant energy. Usually it's the stuck energy, and there will be no joy, love, kindness, sympathy in heart, and there will be lack of intelligence, logic, love, empathy, reasoning, and there will be always arguments, and there will be lack of loving long relationship. So these are the signs having in a person. They need emerald. Basically they will have bad relationship, they will have problem with communication, they will be stuck in life and not much improvement, and it's just going around the circle. So some energy is stagnant, so they need the help of a genuine emerald gemstone. So emerald gemstones colors are clear, transparent, and it's associated with the Mercury, planet Mercury. Now planet Mercury is the ruler for Gemini and Virgo, so they should wear it after discussing with an astrologer. Planet Mercury deals with speech, intelligence, logic, reasoning, love, great long-lasting relationship, good marriage, good partner, a great thinker, great communicator. Emerald is good for heart. It keeps the circulatory system good. It keeps the blood pressure checked. Emerald balances emotions and keeps us calm and centered. It makes positive energy flow throughout the body. It keeps the immune system strong and healthy, and keeps all negative thoughts, all the evil spirits far, far away from the wearer of the emerald, whoever wears it. It is a great gemstone to control temper and enjoy a calm, happy life and calm, happy relationships with others. Emerald gets rid of mental and a lot of physical problems. So as physical problems, I spoke about blood pressure, cholesterol, a problem with the circulatory system, heart problem, any kind of problem with the spine. Emerald gets rid of mental problem like fear, anxiety, problem with speech, public speaking problem, or problem with emotions, anger and all that sadness. It gets rid of it. It enhances our psychic abilities so we can see the unseen future and predict about the future, and we can speak to someone and know about their intentions, or we can hear something in the news and know if it's a true or a false or fake news. We can know about that. If we have an emerald, then we can know about the intentions and how fake it is. So it enhances our psychic abilities and it connects us with the universe. Now light color transparent emeralds are the best one, and they are the most expensive one. Emerald, since the color is green, it attracts money, love, long lasting, meaningful, good relationship. Now no black magic, evil can be around a person who wears emerald. Emerald is beneficial in fever, flu, cold, cough, asthma, any mental or brain problem, any physical problem, any blood pressure, cholesterol, or heart problem. So these are the emerald benefits. Now who should wear it? Emerald should be worn with anyone who has to deal with others and speak. So it should be worn by business people, the doctors and engineers and thinkers and business people mandatorily, because they have to deal with others. Besides that, the creative people or the people who are into the music industry and the dance industry, entertainment industry, any kind of place where people have to talk with other people and deal with other people, they should wear emerald. This for students, teachers, business people, doctors, engineers, nurses, anywhere where you have to work with other people and speak, and that's where emerald comes very useful. So this was some information I gave about emerald. I hope you like it and find it useful. Now I'm going to try to do the opal one soon. I don't know when, but very soon. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video, and I will see you with many more. Thank you. Bye bye. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.